So here on the red carpet, we have Mr. Syed Ahmed from TechInvention Lifecare Limited. So we'll be starting some questions. We would love to know your insights on it.
Sure.
So going back to your journey, sir, I would really like to know what is the toughest lesson from your business journey so far?
I think one of the toughest lessons is I failed many times, but yes, I haven't given up.
Great.
Okay, it's always that when you rise and when you come back, and that's when it really there's a rebound effect. And the biggest important thing for youngsters today is they give up too easily. One should not. You should be resilient, keep trying, and I'm sure success will be yours.
That is true, sir. So why do you think people are still overlooking the opportunities in Bharat?
I think we need to now communicate our story a little more better, take the narrative more strongly,
Yeah.
and I'm sure people will start looking up. They've already started looking up to us, but I'm sure going forward, it'll be much better going forward.
Thank you for that answer, sir. So what are the predictions you have about Bharat in the next 5 to 10 years?
Yeah, I suppose we will be a key pivot. We will be a hub with a lot of spokes all around for many aspects, whether it is AI, whether it is ML. And I think one aspect where I foresee a lot of intervention from the government is on the manufacturing side. I think we will definitely be a hub for most of the resilient and contemporary technologies in the next 5 to 10 years.
Like you mentioned, sir, AI and ML are currently, rising up. So do you think Indian startups are ready for it?
Yes, they are. Just that the youngsters are quite enthusiastic about innovative models, but it has to be backed with a lot of experience from industry stalwarts so that whatever innovation happens is relevant. Then I'm sure it would make tremendous sense.